Look at that.
What? It's dirty?
It's horrible.
Hella dirty.
And
And we have a detailing business and the car looks like this. There's no way. That's good though. It means we're busy. We don't got time to wash our own cars. Sheesh. When's the last time you washed it?
Since we went to that little cruise.
There's no way. Alright, we really need to clean the garage. The garage is a mess. Look at all these leaves. There's so much trash and tools and random shit everywhere. Bikes everywhere. Piece of my GTR wrap everywhere. We also need to mop these floors because they're super dusty. We'll maybe do that today, but what I did want to do today is show you guys the E46 M3. This car has not been out in I don't know how long. I haven't driven it in I don't know how long. How long has it been, bro, since I've driven it?
The last time we went to the drift track.
That was a long time ago, bro. It had to have been like a few months, which is kind of sad, bro. Like I really have an E46 M3 in the garage, and I don't even drive it. I'm stupid. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I forget that I have this car, and it's in my garage. You guys saw there was like wrap on top of it, and I've used it as a freaking toolbox. We're gonna take it out real quick. We should be starting it every once in a while, and I haven't even started it in a long time. So we're gonna start it, maybe take it up the block a little bit, stretch its legs. Should we wash it, bro? Or have David and Jordan wash it?
It's kind of scary to wash it since it doesn't have a hood.
I know. I'm pretty sure we could spray it. If we mess it up, Sam's gonna yell at me, but yeah, guys, this thing needs a car wash bad. All inside, outside, everything. Look at this, literally GTR wrap in my E46. How did that even get there? We still got these Conte wheels I want to throw on. I haven't even put these on the car. I gotta buy tires so I can throw these on. As you guys know, I want to rewrap the whole car too, but we're gonna do that soon. Anyways, for now, let's start this thing and drive it around or something. I don't know. Not get pulled over, hopefully. Oh, by the way, it's not loud no more, guys. Sam took off the anti-lag tune. I don't know why he did it, but Sam, if you're watching this, you gotta put it back on, bro. This car sounds so boring now. Oh no. It's gonna die. It's not even gonna start.
He doesn't touch the car.
I know it's not gonna start, bro. I can hear it. Nope. Dead. Dead. Well, that's how you guys know I don't drive this car. This shit needs some love, bro. Oh, this will work. Hopefully. I don't fit, bro. Let's see if this shit starts. It better start. But yeah, guys, I get hella DMs every single day asking what happened to the E46. Nothing happened, guys. I just don't drive it. I just don't have the time. And as you guys know, like I even mentioned in the past, drifting is an expensive ass sport. Every time we take this car out, it's at least $1,000 on tires, on a truck, on a trailer, gas, the track, everything. I also need to buy a freaking screen already so I can see how fast I'm going, all the temps and all that good stuff. Oh, it started. Look how quiet it is, guys. You used to not be able to even talk around the E46, and now it's just quiet. Sounds like a regular S52. It sounds healthy. We did spark plugs, we did coil packs, an oil change. I think we did some more stuff too, but I forgot. Car's all 100% ready to go to the next track day. It actually could be a little street car now without that crazy ass tune. It's just boring, bro. I want this shit to be obnoxious. I feel like that's what set this car apart from everything else. And it would do like that choppy noise. That shit was so sick. It's still loud when you step on it. Bro, this car is so sick. It's still loud, huh?
That sounds sick. That sounds hard.
I'm really taking this shit on the street, guys. such a fun street car. Guys, who could hook me up with a out-of-state address so I can make this shit a street car? I'll register it at your house. We need like a Texas plate on this shit or something. Cause there's no way I'm registering it in California. Let's go. It's a race car. I'm trying to make Hugo drive it. He's never driven it.
Where's reverse?
It's just like yours.
It's scary, bro. No way to clutch it. That's first.
That's first. There you go.
Oh my god, this shit runs crazy, bro.
Just make sure there's no cops, bro. Here you go.
Bro, this shit sounds crazy.
Different.
Yeah, it feels a lot. I'm trying to lower I'm trying to lower the music. It's the fucking car that's so loud. Now I get what you say when the car gives you adrenaline, bro.
No, but you gotta see what the.
I know, I get it, but like right now, I get it. Oh, I didn't even know this car was done.
Jordan's car? Let's go show him Jordan's car.
No, he's gonna be pissed, bro.
Why?
Last time I was trying to show Jordan's car, he's like, do not put that shit on the video.
I'm putting it on the video, bro. You guys remember how clean it was at one point? There's no way, bro. Someone come cash him out.
This shit feels a lot different.
It would be fun to cruise on.
Yeah.
This shit would be tight to be a street car, bro.
Put it on the street.
Step on it at first, like, see how it feels.
First gear?
Yeah, do first, second.
Oh my god, bro. The car slides.
Okay, try it again, Right here. Go here.
No, I'm not.
Go, bro, do a little bit.
No, car slides instantly.
When you put it in second,
First, and then I switched it to second, the car just starts. I was about to start drifting that corner.
Oh my god, okay. This is the scary part when there's no cops.
Cops are literally like.
Yeah, this is a
here.
bad street race.
Like, I'm even scared to drive my car.
Imagine this
Yeah.
with no hood.
Doing some donuts right here.
There's no way you stop.
How do I turn this? Look at that. Bro, this car's insane. I don't want to step on your seats.
Bro, I don't care, bro. Step on them.
Bro, we don't have no fucking harness on, bro.
We're good.
You gotta relax.
We got a cage.
See, I didn't want to do all that.
Why? Don't do it, Nick. Don't do it, Nick.
I feel like for you to drive like that, bro, I would not drive the car like that at all on my first time driving a car, bro. There's no way. Like, I feel like since he's used to like how the car runs and everything, like you can do that. But if you're not used to how this car runs, bro, just stepping on the gas, how little I stepped on the gas, that's just scary, bro.
You really did donuts on Jordan's block. That gives you adrenaline, bro. Look at my hand, dude.
I get adrenaline just driving it normal.
Bro, I'm recording, look. I'm shaking, bro.
Yeah, but I get adrenaline just driving it normal. After.
Yeah, I'm done to go again.
Let people.
Let them chill a little bit, and we go over there. This car's so fun, bro. Like, it's so sick. You see when it hits third gear and the boost comes in? You start flying on. That was fun. Well, I just wanted to pull the car out and stretch its legs a little bit.
Bro, but
I think we did.
The difference on how the cars drive, bro. That
Compared to yours?
crazy. Yeah, my shit don't feel nothing like that.
It feels nice compared to this, huh? This just feels like a race car, bro. That's the best way you can describe it. It drives like a race car.
It's scary, bro. It's scary. Like, that's what I'm telling you. Like, the power that the car has, it just feels totally fucking
It's so fun, bro. We should need the tune back on, dude. It's way more loud. But it still drives good. Still drives fast. It just doesn't have the anti-lag.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that